I'm starting to get hungry. What do you think about dinner? We should probably decide something soon. The evening is getting closer, and I don't want to wait until we are both too tired to cook.
I'm hungry too. That's a great question. I was just thinking the same thing. My stomach is starting to rumble, but my mind is completely blank. I have no ideas at all today. What are you in the mood for?
That is the big question, isn't it? I'm not sure either. I feel like I could eat almost anything, but nothing specific is coming to mind. I was hoping you might have a brilliant idea waiting.
I wish I did. Usually I have a few thoughts, but today has been so busy. I haven't had a single moment to think about food. I just know that I want something delicious and satisfying, but that doesn't really help us, does it?
Not very much, but at least we agree that we are hungry and need a plan. That's the first step. We can't just stare at each other until food magically appears on the table.
That would be nice, though. Imagine if we could just wish for a meal and it would be ready. But since that's not possible, let's try to think. We need to brainstorm some options together.
Okay, let's think. What did we eat recently? I feel like we should avoid having the same thing again. I remember we had that lovely pasta dish on Sunday, so I think Italian food is out for tonight.
Oh, you're right. The pasta was delicious, but we definitely shouldn't have it again so soon. And what about last night? Didn't we order Chinese food? The Kung Pao chicken was good, but I don't want leftovers.
Yes, we did. So no Chinese food either. That helps. We are narrowing down the possibilities by eliminating what we just had. This is a good strategy. It makes the choice a little bit smaller.
I agree. So Italian is out and Chinese is out. What else have we had this week? I think we had burgers on Friday night. They were great, but I'm not really feeling like having a heavy burger and fries tonight.
Me neither. I want something a bit lighter, if possible. So, no American-style fast food. This is working. Our list of what not to eat is getting longer. Soon, we will only have a few options left to choose from.
Exactly. This feels much more manageable than just staring into space. So, to summarize, no pasta, no stir-fry, and no burgers. Now, what does that leave us with? The world of food is still very big.
Okay, I have an idea. Instead of just thinking, I am going to do something practical. I'm going to get up and look inside our refrigerator and the pantry. Sometimes, seeing the ingredients we have can give us inspiration.
That is a fantastic idea. Why didn't we think of that sooner? Go ahead, open the doors and tell me what you see. It's like a mystery box. What food treasures are hiding in our kitchen today?
All right. I am opening the refrigerator now. Let's see. We have a package of chicken breasts. That's a good start. Chicken is very versatile. We have some vegetables, too. I see bell peppers, a big onion, and some lettuce.
Chicken and vegetables. That sounds promising. We can make many different things with that. What else is in there? Do we have any cheese? Or any interesting sauces? Check the doors of the fridge.
Good point. Let me check the side doors. Yes, we have a block of cheddar cheese, and there's a jar of salsa back here. It looks almost full. Now I'm moving to the pantry. I see a bag of tortillas. They look fresh.
Wait a minute. Chicken, bell peppers, onions, cheese, salsa, and tortillas? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? It seems like our kitchen is giving us a very strong hint about what we should make for dinner tonight.
I think I am. It sounds like we have almost everything we need to make some kind of Mexican food. The ingredients are all pointing in that direction. What do you think about that idea? Does Mexican food sound good to you?
Mexican food sounds wonderful. I would love that. It's flavorful and not too heavy. It's the perfect suggestion. See? Looking at the ingredients really worked. I'm already getting excited about it.
Me too. It's a great choice because we haven't had it in a while, and it's so much more fun to make at home than to order from a restaurant. We can customize it exactly how we like it.
I completely agree. We can make it spicy or mild. We can add lots of vegetables. So, we've decided on the type of cuisine. That is major progress. We went from having no ideas to having a solid plan.
Yes, we did. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Now we just have to decide on the specific dish. With the ingredients we have a few different choices. It's another decision, but it's an easier one.
That's true. It's a fun decision. It's not what in the world should we eat, but what delicious Mexican dish should we create? I feel much better now that we have a clear direction for our dinner.
Okay, so we have chicken, vegetables, cheese, salsa, and tortillas. The most obvious choice here would be tacos. We could cook the chicken, chop the vegetables, and assemble everything into the tortillas. It's classic and delicious.
Chicken tacos sound amazing. They are easy to make and always so satisfying. We could also make quesadillas. We would just need to put the chicken and cheese between 2 tortillas and cook them in a pan. That's even simpler.
That's a good point. Quesadillas are very fast. But I think I'm leaning more towards tacos. I like the combination of the warm filling with the cold, fresh toppings like lettuce and salsa. It provides a really nice contrast.
You are right. Tacos have more texture. You get the crunch from the lettuce and the softness of the chicken. And we have that whole head of lettuce we should use. It would be perfect for tacos.
My thoughts exactly. We could also make burritos, but that would mean we need to make some rice and beans to fill them up. I don't think we have any canned beans, and making rice takes a little extra time.
Good thinking. Let's keep it simple and fun for tonight. Tacos it is. I'm officially craving chicken tacos now. The decision is made. I feel so relieved and happy with our choice. Let's make the best chicken tacos ever.
Perfect. So, chicken tacos will be our dinner. Now, let's do a final check of all the ingredients we need. We want to make sure we have everything before we start cooking. Nothing is worse than starting and then realizing you were missing something important.
Absolutely. A little planning goes a long way. Okay, so you said we have the chicken breasts. Check. We have the tortillas. Check. We have the cheddar cheese for shredding. Check. What else?
We have the main vegetables. I saw one large onion and a couple of bell peppers, one red and one green. We also have that head of lettuce, so the basic filling and toppings are covered. Check.
Okay, that's the core of the meal. What about the extras? The things that make tacos really special. You mentioned we have a jar of salsa. That's great. But what about sour cream? Do we have any?
Let me look in the fridge again, in the back. No, I don't see any sour cream. We finished it last week when we had baked potatoes. That is definitely something we will want for our tacos.
And what about avocado? I love having some sliced avocado or guacamole with my tacos. It adds a nice creamy texture. Do you see any avocados in the fruit bowl? I can't remember if we bought any.
I'm checking the fruit bowl right now. Nope, no avocados here. Just some bananas and an apple. So, we are missing two key ingredients for the perfect taco night: sour cream and avocados.
Okay, so we need to make a small shopping list. It's not a long list, which is good, just 2 items: sour cream and a couple of ripe avocados. That's very manageable. We definitely need to go get them.
I can go. The grocery store is just a few minutes down the road. It won't take me long. I can quickly run to the store while you stay here and maybe start some of the prep work. Would that work for you?
That sounds like a perfect plan. It will be much faster if we divide the tasks. You handle the shopping, and I will handle the initial cooking steps here at home. We will have dinner ready in no time.
Great. So the list is just sour cream and 2 ripe avocados. Do you think we need anything else while I'm there? Maybe some cilantro. Fresh cilantro would be really nice on top of the tacos.
Ooh, yes, good idea. Please add a bunch of fresh cilantro to the list. It adds so much fresh flavor. Okay, so the final list is sour cream, 2 ripe avocados, and a bunch of cilantro. That's it.
Okay, I have the final list. I'm grabbing my keys and my wallet, and I will head to the store right now. I should be back in about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes at the most. The store isn't usually too busy at this time.
Sounds good. While you are gone, I can get started on the preparations. This way, we save a lot of time. What should I do first? I can probably start by cooking the chicken so it has time to cool down a bit.
That's a great idea. You can cut the chicken into small pieces and cook it in a pan. Maybe add some spices? We have chili powder and cumin in the pantry. That would give it a nice taco flavor.
Perfect. I will find the spices and season the chicken well. I can also start washing and chopping the vegetables. I'll wash the lettuce and chop the bell peppers and the onion. I can get all of that ready.
Excellent. By the time I get back with the sour cream, avocados, and cilantro, you will have the main components ready to go. Then all we'll have to do is shred the cheese and warm up the tortillas.
This is great teamwork. I'll put on some music and start cooking. Drive safely and try to pick good avocados. You know how to check if they are ripe, right? They should be a little soft, but not mushy.
Yes, I remember the avocado lesson. A little gentle pressure. I will find the perfect ones. Don't you worry. So, just to confirm the plan, I'm going to the store for sour cream, avocados, and cilantro. I'll be back in about half an hour.
And I am staying here. I will cook the chicken with spices, and I will wash and chop all the vegetables, the lettuce, the peppers, and the onion. Everything will be ready for assembly when you return.
This is a solid plan. It feels good to know exactly what we are doing. We went from being hungry and confused to having a delicious dinner plan in motion. I'm really looking forward to this meal now.
Me too. It's going to be so tasty. And it feels even better because we decided it and are making it together. I will also take out the cheese so it's ready for you to shred when you get back.
You think of everything. Okay, I'm heading out the door now. I will text you when I am on my way back from the store so you know when to expect me. Then we can do the final steps together.
Have a good trip to the store. I'm going to wash my hands and get the cutting board out. The kitchen is about to smell very, very good. See you in a little bit. Let the taco preparation officially begin.
I'm back! The store was not crowded at all, and I found everything on our list. I got the sour cream, a beautiful bunch of cilantro, and 2 perfectly ripe avocados. I think you will approve of my selections.
Welcome back. That was so fast. And wow, the kitchen smells amazing. I cooked the chicken with the chili powder and cumin, and it tastes incredible. I also chopped all the vegetables, and they are in bowls ready to go.
It smells fantastic in here. You did so much work. Look at that. Everything is so organized. You are the best. Now we are in the final stage. The delicious finish line is in sight.
We make a great team. Now you can help me with the last few things. Could you please shred the block of cheese? I will warm up the tortillas in a pan so they are nice and soft.
Absolutely. I will get the grater and start on the cheese. After that, I can slice up these avocados and chop the cilantro. Then we can put everything on the table and build our own tacos.
That sounds like the perfect end to our dinner planning. I am so glad we decided on this. It was so much better than just ordering something. This is going to be a fresh, homemade, and absolutely delicious dinner. I can't wait to eat.